Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Russian language. We're going to talk about the difference between Зачем and Почему. If you are studying Russian or maybe you're just curious about how it works, so you are in the right place. Let's get into it. So in English we have just one word for why. Right? But in Russian language we have two words for why. Зачем и почему. They both mean the same, why. But there is a key difference in how and when to use them. Let me break it down. First up, почему. This word is used when you are asking for the reason or cause of something. So, if you're wondering what made something happen, you would use почему. It's about understanding what caused the situation. Почему ты опоздал? That means, why are you late? Why are you late? Here you're asking for the reason or the explanation, like maybe there was traffic or you overslept. It's about the cause behind the action. Now let's talk about зачем. This word is used when you are asking for the purpose of something. It's not about the cause, it's about the end result. Here's an example. Зачем ты купил эту книгу? Зачем ты купил эту книгу? Why did you buy this book? Why did you buy this book? But in this case, you're asking for the purpose. You're asking, what will you do with the book? Did you buy it to read, to study, to give it as a gift? It's about the reason for doing something rather than what caused it, yeah? So let's compare these two. If you ask, почему ты здесь? You're asking, why are you here? What brought you here? You just want to know the reason. Why are you here? Yes? You just want to know the reason. But if you ask, зачем ты здесь? Зачем ты здесь? Now you are asking, what are you doing here? What's your goal or purpose? It's more about the intent or the plan. Just want to know the plan, like what's the goal or purpose. So let's do a few more quick examples to make it super clear. Почему ты изучаешь русский язык? Почему ты изучаешь русский язык? Why are you learning Russian? Why are you learning Russian? You're asking for the reason. You're asking for the reason, yeah? Maybe because you are interested in the culture or it's a work requirement. Yeah? Next example. Зачем ты изучаешь русский язык? Зачем ты изучаешь русский язык? What's your goal in learning Russian? Yes, what's your goal in learning Russian? Here you're asking, what do you want to do with the language? Yes, what do you want to do with the language? Is it to travel, for business, or for something else? Yes, what do you want to do with the language? Зачем? Зачем ты изучаешь русский язык? So remember, use почему when you're asking about the cause or reason something happened. Use зачем when you want to know the goal or purpose behind an action. And that's the difference between these two Russian words. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found this video very useful and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. See you next time. Bye!